Hello everyone!
I'm Bo.
And I'm Joel, and this is yours truly, the podcast! Yay!
Yes!
May budget tayo for wardrobe!
Nakapagpalit na po kami. Finally. Hindi, pero kailangan raw eh.
Sige, so ano ngayon ang ating pag-uusapan?
Ang pag-uusapan natin, may tanong ako sa iyo.
Ano, sige.
Kung si Vice ganda, si Meme Vice ba, tatakbo, iboboto mo?
Depende kung anong posisyon ng ano.
Senador. Let's start with Senator.
Actually, let's start. Tama tao kasi nga Senator is buong
yeah. It's a national position. It's way up there.
Yes.
Boboto mo siya. Bakit?
Ang sa nakikita ko yung medyo matino naman yung kanyang take on a lot of things. Sure, there are some things that I don't agree with Vice, but parang so far ang nakikita ko na at least in terms of yung mga national issues, medyo same ang aking yung pananaw niya at yung pananaw ko. So in that sense, okay sa akin na iboto siya.
Okay. Pero anong take mo kasi, di ba, yun nga, actually, kaya gusto ko siya pag-usapan kasi nasa news na naman ang lola natin, di ba? Kasi, ayan, nag-apologize naman na siya. So, ang scene lang is that there was this one Showtime segment, Memerimar?
Yeah, Memerimar.
Memerimar. Oh, okay. And then, she was with this, it's a girl group.
Yeah, yung nagpauso ng kanta ngayon na nagva-viral ngayon. Yes. Yun, ganon.
Aabot na kaya kami doon. Para lang manood kayo, gagano na rin kami.
Sasayaw na rin kami.
Sasayaw na kami. Huwag na. Nevertheless, and particularly, I think, regular guests niya na yun.
Actually, I think kasama sila ng Showtime,
because they're ABS-CBN talents, I suppose?
And not only that, I think they started out as, alam mo yung parang mga backup dancers lang. Not naman backup dancers lang, pero talagang a girl group that is talagang featured sa Showtime.
Okay.
So, and this girl group, I forget their name.
Oo nga eh. Anyway, lalabas na lang bumabay. Sorry na si senior moment. Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan ng grupo ngayon.
At saka hindi rin naman ako fan actually ng grupo na yun.
Oo.
Unlike unlike Beanie or unlike yung SB19. SB17! Pinabata pa, no? Ayun. So, but kasi isa sa groupmates noon is a very dark-skinned girl.
Dark skin.
Alam
mo multicolor kasi sila.
Yeah, alam mo taga Olonga po.
Alam mo
nahaluan ng I guess either African American or basta some black yung ang kanyang skin.
Correct.
So, alam mo naman 'di ba ang especially yung so in this segment meron silang Memerimar tapos
and they were like dressed as para mga yaya sila
so merong kwento na nangyayari and part of the joke kasi was nung uminom si Vice ng I forget na kung ano ininom niya binugahan niya yung
particularly si Johaira ang pangalan niya. Kilala mo siya.
So yun tapos nag-joke kasi si Meme na parang bakit naging parang putikan.
Parang putik.
So in other words, the joke was on the skin color.
Yes.
Yun. So tapos meron pa nga kasi bumuga rin yata si Johaira tapos
binugahan rin niya yung iba.
Yung iba tapos sabi parang naging imburnal na yung tubig or parang ganon. So may in other words may dumi factor ang
which is
joke.
Again associated with the skin color. Mm-hmm. And that maraming
nag-react na ngayon sa online.
So online.
And they were saying na parang you should apologize si Vice should apologize to her.
Correct.
Which naman a few days later nag-apologize na naman and napanood ko actually yung hindi ko napanood ko yung apology in total.
Yeah, in general, parang to everybody na
Napakinggan ko naman yung apology. And ako, I mean, as far as I can tell, it sounded naman na parang genuine ang kanyang ano. And simple lang ang kanyang apology eh. Kasi I think nga the lengthier the apology is, the more you can say something wrong eh. So it was a very short apology na parang they acknowledge na merong si Vice acknowledge na may mga nasaktan sa nangyari, na-offend, and that's the last thing that they wanted to do was to offend yung kanilang audience, and so nag-apologize siya. So, yun yung incident, I guess, but that's not
the latest.
Yeah, the latest. That's not the only time naman na nagkaroon ng controversy si Vice.
Yun. Actually, precisely that's why I wanted parang to talk about it more. Kasi, di ba, previously, years back, there was that rape joke with Jessica. So Jessica Soho. And
Jessica Sanchez.
Yun na naman. Nilalabas na little caricature. Anyway, so, that rape joke, did she apologize for that?
I think so. But kasi noon parang I don't remember na. To be honest, I don't remember. But it does seem like she's the type who would apologize.
Yeah.
Kasi even yung ano rin eh, yung ano ba yung susunod na ano niya na meron na naman siyang ano eh, yung controversy. Ay no, sila ni Ayon ba yun yung kanyang boyfriend? Yung with the kaya nga na, 'di ba na-suspend yung yung
okay. Yeah. That's true. Nagkaroon ng ano. But in general, going back lang, kasi nga parang they're emphasizing na she's always been that way. Meaning, may pagka-colorist, may ano pa yung isang term, ako ngayon ko lang
sexist? They can't be sexist. Rapist?
Yan, nagugulatan lang ako sa mga terms na to. Meron palang term na
colorist. O nga, di ba parang, di ba ano lang?
Di ba parang,
nagkukulay lang yun.
Parang Crayola.
Colorist ng buhok.
Sige pa, colorist ka. Pero, I guess yung malang tawag doon, yan, kung may term na ganun. I guess regarding color naman. Tapos nga, regarding women, misogynist.
Misogynist. Okay.
So,
how ironic that she would be a misogynist.
Yun nga eh. But I'd like to bring that to the context. Is this now parang something that you will take against her because this is something that she repeatedly does over time?
Ako naman kasi, I don't know if it's a function of age, but I'm a little bit country. I'm a little bit rock and roll.
Malalaman nyo kung ano yung reference na yan. I'm sure it's lost on everybody.
It's so old. It's so Donnie and Marie. Pero natatandaan mo.
Correct.
So anyway, no,
and it's so Mormon.
Nga, no, pala. Hindi, Mormon
naman sila.
So anyway, hindi ako masyadong na-offend. Why? Kasi aside from the fact na, okay, I understand where Vice is coming from, na galing siya sa mga yung comedy clubs, 'di ba doon naman siya sumikat.
Correct.
Na talaga ang comedy ng those kinds of shows are really the lait. And it's
put down, body shaming.
Body shaming. Basta laging put down. So hindi ako nagtataka na yun yung kanyang parang yung nasa backpack niya lang na yung madaling i-recall kasi nga yun yung doon siya lumaki, doon siya sumikat. Of course now that nasa national TV na siya, I can imagine na sometimes that would come out, and that's why kailangan din na mag-apologize. But iba na kasi kung kunwari daw komedyante ka at host ka sa isang show na aiming to entertain versus if you're already a senator. Iba na yung demands eh. Iba na rin yung asta mo. At saka hindi ka na sa Senate to entertain, although we have some senators there who are not really entertaining.
But it seems like... Anyway, hindi po kami magiging political.
Oo, kahit na ba.
Not yet.
So, yun.
Pardon the color. Ah! Anyway.
So, yun. Pero, kaya hindi ako masyadong kaya yung nahihiwalay ko pa rin yung kung tatakbo siya. Kasi, ang hope ko naman is, kung tatakbo siya, is that yung kanyang asta as a senator is very different from some of the showbiz na naging senator,
Correct.
yung mga ganon. And the fact that kung ano man yung pagkakamali niya, pag kino-call out naman siya, na yung nagre-respond naman at
She's
nag-acknowledge
quick to
naman rin siya.
acknowledge and even apologize.
And apologize. So in that sense, that gives me more hope versus someone who, pag kinall out mo na, magmamatigas.
Correct. Sila pagalit.
Yun, sila pagalit.
Sila pagalit. Ikaw pa may kasalanan. Anyway.
Yun. So kaya hindi ako ganun kaano. And kumbaga iba ang wearing the entertainer's hat.
Correct.
Versus let's say a senator's hat. Yeah.
Pero gusto ko lang i-expound yung sinabi mo, particularly yung context nga of where Vice is. Kasi, I mean, hindi na rin magkalayo tayo ng edad with Vice, I would imagine. We're just a few years older.
I have no idea.
Yeah. Well, I'd like to think that para bang you'd have to cut us some slack.
Cut us some slacks ng mananahe.
Gusto ko maraming slacks. Okay, bakit? Kasi itong pagiging woke, all of this political correctness, this is fairly recent.
Yes!
Di ba? I mean,
may irita factor.
May irita factor siya. Hindi kasi, and I'd like to put that here as a discussion kasi nga, a lot of it is something that we all grew up with, exposed to. Kasama na nga pala yung isa pang banat sa kanya, bash sa kanya is slapstick comedy. Yan, yung mga burang-buga, or toilet humor. Kasi yun yung kinalakihan namin, di ba? That was funny. And for a lot of us, we still find that funny. Pero we understand that it can be offensive, but it's going to be a learning process. Hindi kami, not just because suddenly there would be people calling it out and saying it's politically incorrect or it's not woke. You can't imagine parang years of being exposed to this, for us to suddenly unlearn that. Kaya tama yung sinabi mo na baon pa rin ni Vice yan, maybe as much as gusto niya maging woke or politically correct. Minsan meron ka talaga magiging misstep and you fall back on that. That's why ako rin agree na with Vice, siguro, nag-apologize naman siya, nagko-call out naman siya, pag nung nang-call out siya, nag-apologize naman siya. So, I guess it's fair to say that she shouldn't be judged on that, especially if you're looking at yung iba pa naman niyang nagagawa.
Or if you're going to judge her on that, judge her for the fact that she did apologize. She recognized na yung kanyang kinagawian or yung kanyang fallback is something na at this day and age nag-iiba na.
Correct.
I mean, okay, it's not naman that we as the seniors na nakasanayan yung mga slapstick at saka yung mga body shaming. It's not that we're saying na parang look, we find that funny, go to hell.
Hindi rin naman.
Hindi naman ganon yun. We're just saying na the shift is happening whether we like it or not.
Correct.
Diba? But I guess yun nga, yung cut us some slack. But at the same time rin, we are also willing to learn and evolve.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like Vice was able to actually not only accept yung mga reactions, but she was able to apologize.
Yeah.
So in that sense, there is some growth.
Yeah.
So merong character development naman.
Actually, now that you mentioned that, kasi may iba na sinasabi, yun nga, since they go back to, dati pa lang, 10 years back, ganyan na siya magbiro. Walang character development. Sa akin, on the contrary, there is. Diba? She's learning and she's adjusting. And I'd like to also give Vice a lot of credit for a lot of the things that she has spoken out.
Yes, on the show.
On the show, using her platform. Believe rin naman ako na she's brave enough and courageous enough to talk about a lot of things na for some, they won't even want to touch.
Because it's political.
Because
diba?
Especially in the political space. Naalala ko yung, alam ko, maraming naggalit sa kanya dun sa jet ski.
Yes, oo. Pero, yung isang side na merong anti-jet ski at merong pro-jet ski. So, yung nagalit yung mga anti-jet ski.
Yung mga pangbangka.
Ay, pero yung pro, whatever, basta.
Anti-jet ski to use in that context.
Yes.
Anyway, but di ba, but I admire her that she continues to at least put that in na ipapasok nga niya doon sa kanyang mga sa mga skits niya in her shows.
Although having said that, kasi na ano naman kaya rin ako medyo may mas kampante to say na I'm willing to vote for Vice. It's because alam ko rin na medyo edukada siya
Actually, matalino siya. Gusto ko, sabihin talagang matalino siya.
Matalino siya So, unlike some other more popular candidates in the past, na it's really popularity lang more than anything.
Yes.
And they know what to say, in public. At least ito, medyo kampante ako na nag-iisip naman at talagang yung mga things na where she stands, like yung sa education, or even yung sa the use of public funds. Ayun, doon ako
She speaks out.
And doon ako parang agree ako sa kanyang sinasabi. So
Correct.
that's why, she will have my vote.
But would you want her to run?
Only if she wants to. Kasi I don't
Ikaw, pero
hindi, kung kunwari daw nag-decide siya na tumakbo sa next elections, the reason why I hesitate is because I'm curious kung ano yung sasabihin niyang public reason and platform. No, well, reason for running and platform.
Yeah.
Kasi may sa akin yung kung ano yung nag-uudyok sa kanya para tumakbo is something that I will consider greatly also.
Yeah. Ako, actually, I'd rather she doesn't, at least at this point. Parang mas gusto ko atang wag siyang tumakbo. Kasi nga, again, it related to motivation, parang feeling ko, hindi maganda yung mga motivations ng mga artistang tumatakbo.
O nga
At on a political...
Ako rin, pag kunwari daw, pag sinabi niya na tumatakbo siya kasi ang daming mga friends and family niya na nagsabi na tumakbo ka na ganyan. So tatakbo na rin siya na ganyan. Ako, mahina sa akin yung rason na yun.
Correct.
Baka dapat talaga yung siya mismo na meron siyang panindigan na gusto niyang may gawin kaya siya tumatakbo. Yun. But other than that, pag sinabi niya na, kasi mayroong petition na for me, it's the same with Lenny. Na pag just because, may maraming petition, if she herself says, no, I don't want to run, then I will respect that decision.
Same.
Yun.
On the same page yan. Para mas gusto ko nga na panindigan ng tao yung sinabi niya.
Oo.
So with that.
And with that, Vice, nanonood si Vice.
Yeah. Kausapin natin si Vice. Anong payo natin?
Huwag ka na lang bumuga ng mga
Oo.
Huwag ka bumuga sa mga, saka, well, yung that kind of humor, pwede nang palitan.
Correct.
Oo.
Actually, especially with you, na you're a very witty person. You have so many quips. Hindi na kailangan yung mga ganong pa-slapstick na humor. I guess we can have less of that. And with that.
Kala mo nun makikinig ka sa amin. But anyway,
baka naman.
And with that,
I'm Bo.
And I'm Joel. And this has been
Yours truly, the podcast.